Okay, welcome everybody to the IPL chats with the Pats. Today we have a very special guest, Rohan. Rohan is an avid cricketer. He's been playing cricket for, a long time, and he's still in touch with the game. He's a celebrated umpire, and most importantly, he's a childhood friend. So, welcome Rohan on IPL chats with the Pats.
Thanks, Jay. Thanks for having me. Hi, Neil. How are you?
Hi Rohan, how are you? Rohan and me have been classmates. We go a really long way back, and I'm really excited to have him because he's got some amazing insights on cricket, which we will never even think about. So
Yeah,
I'm really excited to listen to him.
so even I'm excited. Actually, I have my 3, 4 questions on umpiring because Rohan is such a celebrated umpire. So all
Wow.
the small nuances of umpiring and where how things go, we're gonna ask you. So let's get straight into it. We'll talk a little bit about today's match first. Rohan, I'll start with you. So after 20 overs were done and SRH scored 162 for four. You think whose game was it at that time?
At that time, I felt SRH was maybe 10 runs short, or maybe given the batting they have. But again, 160, 150 has always been a good total in any game. So it's always a good defending total for them. And yes, afterwards, the bowling did click. So it was good for them.
Absolutely, absolutely. Neil, what do you think? Halfway mark, 162 was enough?
Yeah, I thought it was enough. Knowing that SRH has got such a good bowling lineup, I thought 162 was enough to to defend.
Okay, okay. So just quickly, Neil, I'll hear from you first on this one. Where do you think DC actually lost? What was the turning point?
Uh, I think SRH bowled really well. For me, Rashid Khan's spell was something which was a turning point. I mean, all the bowlers bowled well, but he took Shreyas Iyer out and then Pant out, and I think that's where he actually changed the game. Rohan, what do you think?
Yes, definitely. I agree with you, Neil. They bowled as a full unit. And apart from the previous games, today their bowling has clicked.
Hmm.
So that was the main. I don't think there was any such turning point, but the whole bowling which they did today was a complete turnaround for them.
Yeah, I think they bowled as a complete package. Their batting also clicked today. It was SRH's day. I mean, they had to win today.
So, Rohan, because you do so much umpiring, and sometimes when you are in the middle and a very crunch game is happening, somehow in the gut you feel this team is going to win, and it really then ends up winning. So, does that happen when you are in the middle umpiring?
Not really. We don't get. We are used to not getting involved. That
Okay.
helps us. That helps us keeping ourselves, focused.
Hmm.
So if we are not involved, but again, not we cannot be totally apart from the game. We cannot be totally, devolved. Yes, there are some crunch situations which happen, but now with years of experience, definitely it comes naturally with for us.
That's great.
Okay, okay. But just like, I mean, that's an absolutely valid answer. But just like, because you are at a position where you can see the field very well, so you are actually kind of having an idea where the bowler is going to bowl because say if his third man is up and like you may be so do you guys look at that and do you guys look at the score and think abhi idhar marne ka chance hai something like that? Do you do that kind of stuff?
Definitely, we also kind of analyze the situation because that helps in our decision making. We also tend to, keep ourselves inside. This is how we keep us involved in the game. Basically,
Hmm.
analyzing the situation is one part, and obviously then we try to just analyze where the bowler is trying to bowl, and
Hmm.
we just have to focus there.
That's amazing.
Fair, fair. Okay, let's talk about today's game. Sorry, tomorrow's game. It's actually become today now. Extremely exciting game. Rajasthan Royals versus KKR. Neil, I'm gonna put you on the spot straight away. First, what's your pick between RR and KKR?
I would go with KKR because KKR is used to playing on a bigger ground, and they have won the previous game. Their spirits are high. So I mean, both of them are equally competitive sides, but somehow my gut says KKR. What do you think, Rohan?
Neil, I will differ for you at
No
this
problem.
point. Definitely, I'll be going with the Rajasthan Royals, given the batting there and the form which Sanju, even the Rahul Tewatia and Jofra is batting with. They have obviously Steve Smith up on the top, so they are a good formidable side. Definitely, they have to work a little bit on their bowling. They might be looking at it after the last game, because again the opponent did score 200 plus runs.
Correct.
So
Yes.
definitely the bowling will be looked at. But yes, again, I feel that Rajasthan Royal has a better
Hmm.
chance than KKR.
Okay, okay. So Ron, just I'm going to start with you on this one. Are you looking for any particular player? Looking forward to see somebody from Rajasthan, KKR. Who are the players you're looking forward for?
Not really. I mean, I'm not looking for any tussle between the players as such. Both the sides are quite decent in their, they have even Andrew Russell. I would say that is quite is a hard hitter of the ball. That's all.
Hmm.
But otherwise, on the field, these guys are really cool. So
Hmm.
they'll be having their personal goals. They have their personal milestones. So not really any tussle between anybody.
Okay.
Okay, okay. Neil, you're looking forward to any gun player perform?
Yeah, I am. I mean, in Rajasthan Royals, there is Steve Smith who's played and Sanju Samson who's been playing like a song. But I would really like to see Josh Butler, show his magic because he's just one game old. He's kind of getting the hang of things. I think he will be a key component in the Rajasthan Royals team, and he's not played. So I'm looking forward for his batting, and of course in the bowling there is Archer is there, and I mean he is their gun bowler. In
Hmm.
KKR, I'm looking for Andrew Russell because he's not performed yet. I mean the way we know Andrew Russell as, so in their team Russell. In the bowling department, Kuldeep Yadav. It'll be really interesting to see how he bowls to Samson because Samson is such a good player of spin. So
Hmm.
that's my take. What about you, Jay?
Yeah, so for me, I mean, yeah, I'm really looking forward to Samson bat against the spinners. I mean, he's been playing in Sharjah on the small boundaries. So I know his shots have been so big that they could be sixes anywhere. But just that, with Gill and the new guy Chakravarti versus Samson, oh wow! I mean, it's going to be a great contest. I just hope that some Sanju doesn't get out very early. He should at least score four, five, sixes. It's so sweet. So that's what I'm saying. Rohan, you have to add something.
No, definitely. We all like him. I've seen him play. I've seen him play from the middle. So Sanju has
Hmm.
always been a favorite when he bats that well. So yes, I want to see him go through the complete innings.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I mean, it's going to be a cracker. I hope the best team wins. Ron,